Hello. Welcome to the stream, guys. How's it going? Welcome everyone. How's it going? Welcome. Yo, welcome E. How's it going? Okay, so let me grab the chat as well. Hello, what's up? Okay. All right. I guess we can start now. Let me check Twitter first as well. Okay. Okay, nice. We are also live on Twitter as well. Grab this, click live. Okay, guys, let's start. As always, I'm gonna start with BTC chart and the general market review. Afterwards, we go have a look at alts and chart requests, and if you have any other questions, we're going to answer them. Alright, so everything is fine with the stream. Great. Okay, so as for BTC, I mean, I'm actually getting tired of repeating myself every single stream, but basically this is the range that I'm watching, right? This is the range low, this is the range high, right? But for now we only care about the value area of the volume profile. Okay, so this is the value area of the profile. It means in this whole range 70% of volume has been traded in this zone. Okay, and this is called value area low. And usually when I'm looking for a long, I wait for a deviation below the value area low. Okay, and once we find acceptance inside, I'm gonna wait for a retest, and this retest is going to be my entry, and my target is going to be the range high. Now the problem right now is that BTC is failing hard to find acceptance above this value area low. Okay, so it's been like, I don't know, 5 times. Now it's been the 5th time, I guess, that BTC is failing to close above this level on high time frame, right? No closes on the daily, and that is just something to be a little bit worried about, because I think a lot of the market participants are looking at this value area to see if BTC comes back into value or not, but so far no luck, right? Let me change this music. Okay. So yeah, that's really it about BTC. Of course, we had bounced off of this order block here, right? But in order for me to call for a new all-time high, I really need BTC back into this range, and every single time that it tries this, it just it just gets rejected, and until we get the move inside this above the value area low, I don't think we're going to get a new all-time high or a move to 70k or something. Okay, so that's just as simple as that. Now ETH is also doing the same thing. We have a bigger range on ETH, deviation below, this is the range low. If you find acceptance inside, I'm going to long. The main target is the range high, but as I have said before on every single stream, my target is going to be the all-time high. So I think if we find acceptance inside and go higher, the all-time high can be on the table as well. Okay, so yeah, it's about ETH. Now the good news is that the indices are doing great, right? So this is the range that we've been looking for to gain above. We did gain above, we retested it on this daily week, and then just continue to go to the upside. I still think that this level is a very important resistance level. Today it got rejected kind of hard, right, after raiding above this high. So yeah, after a swing failure pattern above this level, so this is SFP, right? It went and retested the low of the day. Is it low of the day? Yes. No, it's a low of 20th of August, and so far no luck to find acceptance above this level. Of course, like, this was a nice long. It's, remember, we're trading indices, it's like 81 points, like 90 points. So it is a huge move actually, but on higher time frames, I think if we don't come above this level soon, we're going to test this level. Okay, so either we find the acceptance above and go higher, or this is the next level that I'm watching. All right, ES, I think same. Range low, range high. It's actually making a new low. NQ is not. So NQ's low is lower, the daily low, but ES has already made a new daily low. Yep, and this is going to be the target for ES if it manages to do this. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for on indices. This is on 30 minutes though. On higher time frame, it still looks good. Kind of, it's failing a bit, right? We didn't want it to be below this order block, but it's actually closing below it. Not the greatest sign, but still, I guess the trend is bullish, and there's still an opportunity for ES to make a new all-time high. It might take some more time to kind of find the buy pressure that it's looking for and then go for a new all-time high, but it looks good still. As long as we're above this range, I think any all-time high is on the table. So yes, total chart, still below the value area, right? We're still below the value area low. No luck to even touch that level yet, right? But I'm watching the same thing that I'm seeing on BTC. Like, find acceptance inside this retest is going to be a target for me here. But other than that, no luck really. Total 2 is even worse. Downtrend, right? I do love to see the volume distribution here as well. Yeah, see, if we go to this level, then I can see it going here, but other than that, not really. I don't think so. Now let's have a look at DXY. Yeah, this is exactly what we were looking for, right? So deviation comes below, break of a structure, retest this level, and this arrow is from like, I don't know, I think 1 month ago. So great to see it below 100. I was calling it below 100 when we were around here, right? So I guess DXY has done its move. Nice for us to call it, but we didn't get the reaction that we were looking for on crypto market, right? I guess if we compare these two charts, you see that DXY was going down, BTC was kind of going down again. But I think the better chart to have a look is actually the total chart, new price scale. Yeah, you see that DXY was going down, but along with it, the total chart, which is this purple line as well, was going down. So not really the reaction that we were looking for. I'm a little bit surprised. But if you have a look at ES, for example, so E-mini, you see that when DXY was going down, it was going up, right? So DXY down here, it was going up. So the divergence is nice here, but I don't know about crypto. I guess we're not getting the volumes that we were getting at the all-time highs. How's it going, Imran? How's it going? Welcome to this stream. I was talking about the fact that we called this DXY bearish move, but we didn't really get the reaction that we were looking for on crypto market. How's it going, Erica? Welcome. So yeah, great to see DXY below 100, but not really the move that we were looking for on crypto market and Bitcoin. So yeah, the answer to the now what question is going to be, so there are basically two scenarios on this chart, and I still think DXY is a very important chart. I mean, for the markets in general. I know that crypto didn't react well to this bearish move on DXY, but I mean, the indices, the stock market, and every other thing, even gold reacted to that move, right? So and I still think DXY is a very important chart, and we need to have an eye on this chart, like more frequently. So the first scenario is for and the most bearish scenario, which is the most bullish one for crypto and risk asset markets, is for DXY to actually go even lower. So historically speaking, below 100, there is some kind of sentimental thing that it kind of prevents the market to go lower than 100. So that's kind of a psychological level right there, just like what happened here and here, right? So there is still a scenario for DXY, like what happened here. We made a deviation, went below, a deviation again, a deviation again. So if we flip the chart, we might get the same thing as we got here. Okay. So we might get a deviation below this level and then actually a bullish move to the range high, but this requires DXY to go down another 2% or so, right? But yet again, I think this whole green zone is a support level for DXY, and I wouldn't bet on DXY to just drop from here straight. I think we are going to see some kind of support here, but again, I think we can go at another 2% lower on this chart and then get the move that we were talking about. Okay, so yeah, that's it about DXY. What else do we have? What else are we watching? Watch it, total 2 indices. Gold is one of the nicest ones. So okay, look at this. I mean, I was explaining in the last couple of streams that the only asset that I recommend people to trade the breakouts is gold. Okay, and I still think this is like, based on price action, like this is what happened here, right? Breakout trading still works on gold, and just like what happened here on higher time frames and what's happening right now on lower time frames. So if you ask me, I think gold is at the buy zone now. I know there are like good news for the political events and stuff that's going on in Middle East and everywhere. I know there are good news is coming again, okay, but and that might be a little bit bearish for gold, but not really. It doesn't impact them directly, but I still, the scenario that I would bet on is for gold to go higher, because it has found acceptance above these highs, which are and this level basically. But another scenario is for it to come, confirm the deviation, and then go lower. But I wouldn't really bet on this one because I basically have no confirmation. If I get this, then yeah, this retest is a good region for a short or for sell, because a lot of people are holding gold. But so far in this chart, I don't see anything other than a bullish trend. Okay. Any questions so far about the charts that we were watching? Yeah, but this that I'm watching on gold is just super bullish. I mean, look at this. You don't want to really bet against this bullish trend starting from 2022. Yeah, gold is actually 50% up in about 2 years. Yeah, okay, so let's start with alts. Do you have any requests or any interesting altcoins that you want me to have a look? I'm going to start with the ones that I am interested in. In the meantime, make sure you drop your favorites in the chat. Like INJ is one of them. We have a short open, right? Sorry, not a short. Why would you short INJ? Now we have a nice long setup on INJ. Our entry is at around here, right? So we are already up 25%. I have called it in the inside the Bearness official calls, but the structure on the daily is still bearish. I kind of want a displacement from here to here, like a big candle, you know what I'm looking for. If that happens, I think the real move on INJ is going to start, because I mean, have a look at this high time frame chart. This looks very bullish right here. Okay, so maybe if we could get a move from here to here real quick, INJ can actually start going up faster than some other alts, because it's at the massive support zone. Emil says interested in Ondo. Oh yeah, I am also interested in Ondo. You see, I have it on my watch list and labeled it. Yeah, this chart looks nice. Not gonna lie, looks nice for a long. The only thing that I was a little bit worried about is that if you draw the volume profile or add the volume profile for the whole price action history of Ondo, like, let's forget about this for a sec. You see that this is the value area high. You find acceptance inside, you retest it. Next move is just to go down, right? But I guess for a swing trade and like short term, it does not look awful. And also I'm not sure if this is the this is all the history that we can get. Poloniex or BitGet, I think these two exchanges list the coins faster than others, but yeah, I mean, it's fine. And BitGet, you see, this is why you shouldn't really be obsessed with these altcoins. Let's have a look at another chart. I like OKX probably. Oh no, USDT, Poloniex. Okay. This is not right. Really, something is wrong with this chart, right? Or no? Something definitely is wrong with the volume, but it's only because of this first initial candle. Let's draw it from here. Yeah, I mean, oh, look at this distribution of volume. No, but all in all, I guess the profile that we are interested in is this range profile starting from here, and I guess the price action on Ondo is pretty nice and is ready for a move up. If that happens, the first target is going to be the value area high, but I guess there's also I am going to keep a portion of the position open for the new all-time high. Right. Another one is Ordi. Ordi is also nice. It is at the high time frame support, so this order block is a nice one to have support. The distribution range is nice on Ordi. I like the way that the volume distribution is like a D shape here. So all we need, the last missing piece of the puzzle is a confirmation inside the value area. If we get this, we can long get targeting the range high. And of course, yet again, I'm going to keep a portion of the position for new highs. You're welcome, Emil. So, ARB for Erica. It's, I don't know, it's just down only, right? Below the previous swing level. I mean, even if you are looking for longs on this chart, it doesn't not really give you, like, I need it above this level. If we get it above this, then we're talking. Like, I need something like this. But like, I am going to be interested in only if we get a huge move to the upside, and then this I'm looking for longs at the retest. Yeah, that is not going to be the best trade ever though as well. But yeah, that's what I need. Otherwise it's just a down only chart. Let it die, I guess. Oh my god, it's used to be like, I actually want to see, like, because I remember ARB was one of those, like, look, ARB made its all-time high when BTC was 40k. Gonchalo crypto, did I spell that correctly? It's a chair, right? I think so. But yeah, ARB made its new all-time high when BTC was at around 40k ish, right? So everyone was expecting like stronger moves from ARB when BTC is actually going to make a new all-time high, but you see that it's just down only since then. From its absolute high, it's down about 82%. It was $2 or something. It's now at 50 cents. What is this? Is it a thing? What? What's the name of this coin? Destra network. All right. Every single time in these streams I just hear about new coins. What's happening in crypto? Okay, good. Nice one. Nice swing failure. Alright, chill. I'm going to have a look at all those charts that you ask. But this one looks nice, honestly. It's at the golden pocket. 50 FIB. The structure is shifted. The only thing is longing here is a bit risky because your stop loss is going to be here and it's a wide stop loss. But if you get a little bit of retest, I mean, grabbing a bag of this coin, which is only listed on Mexi, so be careful. I mean, the price action is not bad. I can see a long here on price action. But yeah. What else? Gari network. Okay, give me KuCoin. Look at this band. So it's one of those that actually went to zero. I can bet that it's 99.999% of like drop. Let's measure it. Like it's 100% drop. But I actually want to know the exact number. $99.77. What is this? So in one candle it dropped 85%. Why are you even looking at this? I can't. Uniswap. Let me have a look if there's another. Oh no, I mean forget about Gary Network. Gary Network is now. You can't be interested in this chart. I mean, come on. AR, yeah, AR is one of this one listed on Binance. Yeah, this is a chart that I am going to be interested in. Like this looks like Doge, right? And I've been talking about this. So this is the accumulation range, right? Sorry. So this is the accumulation range. I mean, more or less, right? So we made a deviation. We find acceptance inside this order block is a nice one. Then we got a huge expansion to the upside, and currently we're retesting the accumulation range high. This for me is a very nice looking chart. If you have a look at Doge here, you see the same thing is going on here as well. So accumulation range, we're retesting the value area of the range, right? So here on AR, I mean, I don't know nothing about the fundamentals of this coin. I wish I knew, but the price action itself looks very nice, I would say. Okay, so what you want on this one is for it to hold this range high. Okay, so and this is the zone. We're on the weekly time frame, and you can't really have a single level there. So we want to hold this zone that is the range high. Okay, if we hold that, I think this chart looks nice as well. But if you don't and fail to hold this, the next target is $7. Uniswap, you mean Uni, right? I have it in my watch list. Yeah. It's interesting that you see all of these OG, I mean not really OG, but like hot coins in 2021 that everyone was talking about. Top 50 of 2021 are just making new all-time lows. It's interesting to see that, honestly, because I know that Uniswap is still one of the biggest decentralized exchanges, and a lot of people use Uniswap, right? But the fact that I'm seeing it dropping from 40, like it was $45 someday, I mean not too long ago, right? In 2021, May of 2021, and it's now $6, right? This level is here because I've been explaining in one of these streams that if we get Uniswap below $4, I'm a huge buyer. Same goes to Algo. Like Algo has also a level here. Look, if we get Algo below 9 cents, it is also going to be a huge buy. Like Dot is in same spot. Like it's actually making any. Oh my god, look at that. dot below $4. Come on, man. It was 50 something. Yeah, it was $50 some day ago, and it's now 4. Okay. Arb is sorry, dot is one of them. Atom is one of them. It's actually making a new all-time low. I mean, kind of all-time low, right? Since 2020. So in 4 years it hasn't been at these levels, and I know about Atom that the fundamentals are still great on this one. Call me Selge. How's it going? Mantra or Manta? Because I know Manta is a thing. OM. Okay, sorry. OM USDT. Oh, it's also on Binance. Okay. I mean, why is it looking like this? Come on, bro. What? So it got listed in 2021, pumped up to 87 cents, then went down to 1 cent. Holy, like, this is 1 cent, man. And then from 1 cent it went to $1.5, 1.4, and that is about 6,000. How many? 8,000% of worth of move. Oh my god! Only see it in crypto, I guess. Nothing really on the weekly chart. The structure is bullish. Kinda looks like it's holding it, right? I don't love it. I don't love the price action. Not that it's bearish that I don't like it, but I don't see any setups here. That's the problem. It's very expensive right now. We are looking for cheap altcoins, not expensive ones. I mean, look at this one. It's very cheap. It's $4. I mean, compared to its own thing, right? But OM is like, I think it has done its move. I mean, what else are you expecting from it? Like, you expect it to go to $10 or what? I don't know. Even if it goes to $3 or something dollars, it's like up 41,000% from the low. I don't know. I like, especially before, like, we're at early stages of the bull market, right? I think you have a lot of better options, honestly, right now, because lots of these coins haven't done their move yet. Okay, so you probably find better positions on this one rather than something like this that has done its move. I mean, sure, it can go even higher from here, but I mean, why bother really longing something like this? That's up 8,000%. GLQ, KuCoin, BitGet, CoinX. Okay. So obviously this is a very nice support level. It got front run a little bit, which is weird. GLQ, USDT, CoinX, BitGet, Mexi. Yeah, this is good. This is, I mean, on none of these exchanges it's feel this order block yet. So what are we looking for here? So first of all, the accumulation range is nice. We can't really call it a range because it's in 99. Oh my god, I cannot do this. Ah, no, please no. Like this price action right here looks like garbage, but the most amount of volume has been traded there as well. Look at this. One thing I can tell you about it though, if we get another move to the downside to fill this and then a fast move to the upside, right, then this retest is going to be a nice buy zone, but buy level. But other than that, I don't know. If you long it right now, your stop loss is going to be 45% below your entry, and that's not something to really risk. I don't really like this as well. Ton, yeah, Ton is one of those that I am watching as well. Oh, Ton. Oh, we have Ton and we have not. Oh my god. Ton is the Telegram one, right? Is the token for Telegram, if I'm not mistaken. Does trading view tell me Ton reaches new activity? Something neutral. Oh, it got listed on Binance like 2 weeks ago, right? So I suspect you're not interested in the high time frame price action, right? So let's go lower actually. Okay, so this is the range low and this is the range high. The profile. I mean, nice move. There was a long right here. You see that it find acceptance inside, and then the retest of the value area low was a long, nice long. I guess if we get this move one more time, it's going to be a nice long again. And I am going to long the target the all-time high in that case. Let me grab some water, guys. Yeah, so this is what I'm watching on this coin right now. So I move to retest this and then like this, because right now if you buy it, your stop loss should be like somewhere around here. It doesn't really make sense. Your risk to reward does, like, it's not worth it really. What else do we have in the chat? So LNQ Link AI. All right, I know that one as well. By the way, guys, for those who are watching this stream on Twitter, there's also a chat option in Twitter. You can drop your coin's name in the chat, in the Twitter chat as well. I am watching the Twitter chat as well, so feel free to do that. We have L and Q. Link AI. All right. Doesn't have an eye. What the bit get? Okay, now I like the mixed chart. Oh, look at this reaction off of the point of control. So yeah, this looking like a chart that has a little bit of downside potential, but if it's given, I think longing this is a good, really good idea. Cause look at its all-time history. Anytime it dropped below 1 cent to 10 cents to 9 cents, like it was a nice buy. Either here or here or here or here, anytime it was a nice buy. I think if we get another move to kind of 10 cents level, there's going to be a nice huge opportunity for a long here. Okay. So this is link. We have WEEF as well. Slowly but surely for finding acceptance back into the value area. So this whole thing is a deviation. But what we do really need on this chart is for POC to get flipped. So if we flip the POC, we can have a move to this level. Then what else do we have? Those important ones. ARB is what we want. We have Fetch AI. Oh, look at that. It kind of gave us the move. Not really though. It's just a small touch of this level, right? Another one is going to be very nice because you can grab some FET here. There was some not rumor, some news about FET that it got merged with some other stuff, but I'm not really sure what's happening there. Rio. Yeah, it's at the buy zone actually. It has to hold this level as though. It has to hold this order block, because if it doesn't, the next target is going to be this 83 cents. So that's, I guess, the lowest it can go. Yeah, this is technically a nice setup. This is a buy zone right here, but the stop loss is 56% below your entry. So what you should do in this situation is dollar cost averaging. So buy some here, then buy here, then buy here, then buy some here. Your average entry is going to be somewhere around here. Okay, even in the worst case scenario, and then look how good of the entries that is. You're targeting like 40% or so. So yeah, if your stop loss is very wide, I would do recommend dollar cost averaging into the position. have Pepe. Nothing really. Pepe loves to consolidate, loves its profiles and everything. Yeah, you look at this strong resistance the POC is right now, but it's pretty simple for me. I guess it give me a deviation like this, and then this retest is going to be a buy for me. This is what I'm looking for on Pepe. Alright, so we're 56 minutes into the stream. I am going to close it soon. If you have any last questions or requests, feel free to drop them in the chat. If not, let's call it a day. Jupiter, USDT. This chart is a nice one, not gonna lie. Okay. I'm not sure about the fundamentals on this one though, but it's actually worth watching. I think it can go a little bit lower. I'm kinda trying to be a little bit greedy here. How can I add it to my watch list? But because there's a massive difference between like this level and this level. Like this is going to be 82% of final target. This is going to be, I mean, not really, but the risk to reward is, I mean, changes significantly. So if you can get it like at the range low, then you can put an even safer stop loss targeting 100% or so. Like this is a very good opportunity, I guess, if given. Like if we need a 10% drop, something like this, but then it's going to be a nice setup. Gonzalo asks about AGI USDT. Oh my god, I cannot type. Bitmart, Bybit. Okay, it's listed on Bybit. Interesting. I mean, what can you say? This is just a down only trend. It's just 86% down. Actually, if it holds this zone, maybe get another low and then do something like this. Yeah, here you can find a position, but other than that, just let it die, I guess. And by the way, we are doing a like campaign on our exclusive Discord. You can get free access to everything that we have exclusively on Discord. We have calls, we have indicators, we have like live trading sessions that are only accessible inside the Discord. So if you want to grab the access for 60 days of free membership, like there's a link in the chat, there's a link in the description, or you can just easily go to thebearmas.com/discord. And like we had nice feedback so far from people. Everyone is very happy with what's going on there. Everyone is very active. Like we have lots of free calls there. If you want, there's no string attached. You can just click on the link and you're in. It takes 10 seconds. But yeah, definitely have a look. thebearmans.com/discord. The links are in the chat and description of this video on YouTube. I have my entry at 4 on what? You have your entry on AGI Gonchalo or what ticker or Jup? Wait, or Jupiter? Let me grab the link for those who are watching this and don't have access to. Okay, so this is the link, guys. Okay, if you go to thebearmans.com/discord, you can get your free access for 60 days inside our Discord. Oh, on AGI. No. Bybit. I mean, if you have an entry, nice one. I wish you took some profit on this huge move to the upside. It's, I mean, 1500%, holy. But usually a good idea in situations like this is to take profit at the highs and then re-add those profit at levels like this. But you should be aware. Oh, nice. So you took profit. Great. So if you find the live setup like I shared here, or whatever you are interested in, adding some of those profit back into the position is not a bad idea. I mean, look at this, it's down 80 something percent, right? But you should keep in mind that if it loses this zone, like, and then retest it, the next target is going to be like something like this at like 2 cents or so. Okay, so be careful about that. In the end, these are all shit coins, but nice entry and well played. Alright guys, I think I'm calling it a day. It was great to have you here. It's always great. Thanks Gonchalo, thanks who else? Thanks Erica, thanks Sledge. Thank you all for asking questions and being here. Make sure you grab your free access on Discord and see you there. Bye bye.